Okay, gang, here we go. I'm going to undo the hot line first, as you can see. And it's got a hook on it. Hook onto the... And that's the hot. And this is your travel wire to the garbage disposal. And remember, I've already cut the power off to this. And this will be your ground wire. It's very important to remember that this is your travel wire and this is your hot wire. That always goes to the bottom, your hot wire. And it will only make, so because what it's doing is just switch, when it's in the upright position, it sends power to the top lug, which will in turn cut the garbage disposal back on. Alright, I got that one done. I just got to tighten it up, but I'm going to put the ground wire back on, which is this green lug, which is the ground. Okay, that one's back on. Now I can go ahead and tighten this screw, the bottom, which is the power. Tighten that one. Now all I need to do is for the sending wire to be put back on and tightened. Let me adjust that. There we go. Make sure it's tight so it don't in the future get. Now, the person who put the switches in, they couldn't use this regular screws because it has a tile wall and it's sitting too far back. So they had to use sheetrock screws, which I'm going to have to put back in because these are too short. These will not work. Right here. These that come with a switch. But I'm going to save them because sometimes they're in need of these screws. So I'll save them, and I'll put these wires back to where they were, back inside, as carefully as I can. Make sure the ground wire is not touching the other switch, because then it will trip the circuit back out. So here we go, putting this back together. Like I said, they use these sheetrock screws, and it was probably the person that was doing the tiling work that used these. instead of going out and buying, because you can get extra long screws for receptacles and switches, but since I don't have any, I'm going to have to use what I got. So what I got is this. So that looks good. This one seems to be sitting a little bit on an angle, but there's nothing I can do about that as long as the plate looks good, which it does. So I'm going to put this back together, turn the power back on, and see this wall, that the wall switch works like it should. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. The more people I get to follow me, I will start giving away some goodies. But until then, please like and subscribe. And give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of videos. And this should be the last one to go in. Which is not going. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, we'll just kick to the side. But there we go. Everything's back the way it should be. New switch. Old switch. Yeah, you can you can tell it doesn't have the there you go. So gang, here we go. New switch, everything in place. And like I said, like and subscribe to my channel. The more people I get on my channel, well, I'll have giveaways. So till next time, adios.